The KwaNobuhle community came out in numbers to honor 19-year-old Sinwatando Malinga and 17-year-old Ibenati Peter at the candlelight ceremony. Families and friends couldn't hold back their tears as they shared their last fond memories of their loved ones. The youth of this community says more needs to be done to protect the children of this community.
And these are our peers. It breaks our heart knowing that our sisters and our friends are not safe, even between us. And this thing brings back asikhuselekanga singonobuhle sisonke singonobuhle, and ke kulento ba ayichaphazeli amantombi qha and us too sometimes, but ke this was brutally wrong, and ke justice has to be served for unobuhle, justice has to be served for Iba, justice has to be served for Usino.
Asithandi lento yenzekileyo ku Ibenati kunye noSinothando. Imbi kakhulu. Siyayicela ijustice ba mayenzeke. Ngoba ndiyathemba ba iyagqibelisa ukwenzeka lento. Ngoba sihlukumezekile ngaphakathi ukudlwengulwa kwabantwana unganasini. Siyacela kwinkokheli ezingenhla ukuba zithathele ingqalelo lento ingaphinde yenzeke.
The National Speaker of the Nelson Mandela Bay Children's Parliament, Kazimla Adams, says, as a community, they need to take a stand, and this tragedy calls for action.
There's a specific onus on adults to teach good morals, to be good role models, and to be able to respect women, to respect children. And I think we are advocating for a change in the culture in South Africa. GBV has become too common, and it has become so mundane that it's just a statistic that we see every day, whether it's on Women for Change on Instagram or if it's a toll on the news channel. We must not become desensitized. This is an issue that we are facing. It is an atrocity. It is a disease that is in our nation. And if we don't cure it now, and if we don't tend to it now, we might wake up tomorrow and our country has already died.
Community leader Thamsanqa Nkevu says the arrest of the suspects linked to the teenager's death has provided relief to the community. He urges community members to speak out when atrocities such as these are committed in the community.
No, ufumaneka kwezintwana nokubanja kwazo kuye kwasinika i-relief in a sense, yabo. Ngoba kaloku akho mandi ukuhlala nemeko ube ungayazi uba ngabahlambi ngobani unobangela. So xa sizaba nesiganeko okanye isehlo esifana nezi, siphinde vele singabi nabo abarhanelwa. Into efana naleyo izawufika ibangele bangaba apha ekuhlaleni abantu baphile benamaxhala amakhulu noloyiko oluninzi. Ngoba kaloku akukho mandi, especially kubantu abakhulisa amantombazana, knowing very well bangaba abantwana bethu bayathanda ukuba sesithubeni, bayathanda uhamba esitratweni. So kubanzima ke ngoku kuba ngumzali uthi uhlele endlini abantwana bakho bengekho kube kukho izikhohlakala ezifana nezi zibanjiweyo ngoku.
Ibenati Nkosi sinothando nemfesane singabanye.
The families will bid their last goodbyes to the teenagers this coming weekend. Reporting for MPK TV News, I'm Sinayo Njudu in Kareha.